I'm making this video so we really understand why is it that slopes can be positive, negative, zero, or undefined. Like, what's up with that? 4 different things. So first thing, the slope is the inclination of the line. How is it oriented, right? I'm going to say that if I see this line right here, you probably see this one's going up. But it's going up if you're going from left to right. It's going down if you're going from right to left. So we got to say it's going up and to the right. So what does this mean? Since the slope is the rise over the run, if I go from the blue towards the green, if I go that way, well, this one's going up, which gives us a positive. So the rise is positive. And the run's going this way, which is also a positive one. And a positive over a positive gives us a positive answer. But if I said that I was going from here to here, if going from right to left, I'm going down, which means my rise is negative, and I'm going to the left, which means that my run is also negative. And we know that a negative divided by a negative also gives us a positive. That's why when the slope is going up to the right, it's a positive number. What about when it's going down and to the right? Well, if I'm going from the blue to the green again, going down here is a negative, and going to the right is a positive. So I'm going to have that the rise is negative, whatever the number is, and the run is positive, which will give me a negative number. But if I'm going from the green to the blue, if I'm going from right to left, or if I'm going up, that's going to be positive. And if I'm going towards the left, that's going to be negative. So the rise is positive, the run is negative, which also gives us a negative number. And that's why we say that a slope, when it's a negative number, it's going down and to the right. And here come the 2 special cases. What happens when I go from the blue one to the green one? Well, the rise is 0. And the run, well, I'm going to the right, so it's a positive number. But if I have 0 and I divide it by a positive number, it's still going to be 0. If I'm going from the green one to the blue one, the rise is still 0, but now my run is negative. And it doesn't matter because 0 divided by a negative number is still 0. That's why horizontal line is actually 0. And lastly, if I'm going up, if I'm going from the blue to the green, I'm going up, which means it's a positive number, but my run is 0. I'm not going sideways, so I cannot divide a number by 0. And that's why this is undefined. And if I'm going from the green to the blue, I'm going down, which means my rise is negative, but my run is still 0, and therefore that's why it's undefined. Here's how I usually summarize this. Going up and to the right, have a positive slope. Going across, it's 0. Going down, is equal to a negative. And I just have to remember that when I have a vertical line, it's undefined.